After the photograph that I showed the other day of our new Sarin unit, a new one to us, not a new unit, but it's certainly a great working unit. And we want to appreciate John Thomas and Janelle Mead for helping us get this in the ISG lab. But I had a lot of people ask, well, what is this? What is the Sarin unit? So I thought that I would set this up and point the camera this way to you and show you what this unit is. This one is probably 12, 14 years old. It works fantastic. It works by putting a diamond on this little stage right here. This is a little rotating metal stage. I put a diamond here because you've got to have it pretty well centered. But I thought I would show you that it's a very simple technology, but it's incredible technology. But we put the diamond there, and then we will go back over to this screen. I do need to close the lid on this. Sorry, I'm going back and forth a little bit on you because I actually just pointed the camera across the room to be able to shoot this right quick. We'll close the lid, and you can see it's a little camera, but it's a very high-tech camera. It's a very high-definition camera. And what this is, once we hit the button, it will start rotating. It rotates the diamond, and it constantly measures the diamond as it rotates. I used to use a model very much like this when I was working at the USAA gym lab. But the end result of this, when it's all over with, let me just click this right quick, is you get this amazing measurement and evaluation of the diamond as far as the cut and proportioning of the diamond. You see you've got all your millimeters, your percentages. You can get all of your proportions of the diamond, the quality of the cut. You can even get a 3D look at the diamond. You can see this one's kind of gnarly as far as the faceting is done. But you get all your percentages, you get all your measurements done for you. And it even goes a little further than that. Let me show you something here. Let me just swing this around a little bit, because it's really phenomenal that you can get a three-dimensional look at this diamond and see all what may have pointing errors, facet junction errors. It all shows up because of this Raman unit. And we can also see the girdle. If you notice at the bottom here, you've got the full girdle, the whole girdle all the way around the stone, but in one long line. So you can very easily see if you've got a girdle that's offset or too thin, too heavy. And then you can get your proportioning, your 3D look at the proportioning as far as how the facets all match up. And then back to our 3D look, which you can see this has a fairly thick girdle on it, but you can rotate this stone around. Once again, you can see pointing errors, you can see cutting errors in the stone, you can see the quality of the stone, and you can see all the sizes and percentages as far as the depth percentage, the crown, the pavilion, everything here. And it reads it for you right here. It's an amazing thing. Now, the new Sarins are fantastic, and they're, of course, far beyond the technology with it. But for our usage here, this is perfect. And I love it because it's just like the one I worked with in the USAA gym lab. And it's what we're going to be working with as we prepare diamonds to send out for practicals for all of our students.